Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install your updates for your games or your PlayStation 5 while it's in rest mode. So you got to turn on the settings for this, otherwise it won't work. So if we go on down to where it says System, right here, select this, go to System Software, go to the right, and go to where it says System Software Update and Settings. And just turn on the option for download update files automatically and then install files automatically in rest mode. You can see. And then we have to do the same thing for games. So going down to save data and game app settings, then go to automatic updates and just turn it on for auto updates. And then auto install in rest mode. Then we got to back out under here and we can go back up to system. There's one more thing under power saving we want to check. Features available in rest mode. And then just put stay connected to the internet on. And you should be able to install your updates while it's actually in rest mode now. If you don't have this turned on, it will just download the update. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.